In today's world, something extraordinary is happening in the world of technology, and almost nobody is prepared for how fast it's changing everything. People used to think that programming was something only experts could do, long lines of code, complicated syntax, endless debugging, but suddenly a new era has arrived, and it's rewriting the rulebook. It's called vibe coding, and it's one of the most mind-blowing shifts the tech world has seen in decades. Imagine building apps, websites, games, tools, and even full software systems without touching a single line of code. Imagine just describing the vibe, the style, the function, the feeling, and an AI system generates the entire product exactly the way you want it. This is not science fiction. This is not the distant future. This is happening right now, and the people who understand it early are the ones who will benefit the most. Vibe coding doesn't replace human creativity, it amplifies it. Instead of forcing you to learn every technical detail, it lets you express ideas the same way you explain something to a friend. You say, I want a clean modern app that helps people track their goals, and the AI builds the layout, designs the interface, writes the code, and gives you a ready-to-use product. It's like having a team of professional developers working instantly, without any barriers or limitations. This new movement is exploding across the US tech industry because it removes one of the biggest obstacles that held back millions of creators for years. Before, if you had a great idea, you needed a developer, you needed a designer, you needed money, skills, time, and tools. Now the only requirement is imagination. And this shift is unlocking creativity in ways we've never seen before. Students are building apps in minutes. Entrepreneurs are launching products without funding. Creators are generating tools that used to take months of work, and businesses are using vibe coding to move faster, test ideas, and innovate in ways that were impossible before. But the most incredible part is that this new technology doesn't remove the human touch, it actually makes it more important. The AI handles the complicated technical layers, but humans bring the vision, the direction, the originality, and the imagination. It's not automation replacing creativity, it's as technology becoming a partner that helps creativity move at lightning speed. The rise of vibe coding is also opening the door for people who never saw themselves as tech people. Artists, writers, students, designers, freelancers, people from every background are entering the digital world because the barrier to entry has disappeared. You don't need to memorize syntax or worry about making mistakes. You simply guide the AI, adjust the output, add your personal touch, and refine the result. It's a collaboration, not a replacement. And because of that, a brand new wave of digital entrepreneurs is forming. Even major companies are starting to adopt vibe coding as a way to speed up development, test prototypes instantly, and reduce the time between idea and execution. Everything is becoming more accessible, more intuitive, and more user-friendly. AI isn't just accelerating development, it's democratizing it. But here's the real reason vibe coding is spreading so fast. The world today moves at a speed traditional coding can't match. People want to build fast, test fast, scale fast, and innovate fast. Vibe coding makes that possible. It turns hours into minutes and months into days. And in this new era, the most valuable skill is not knowing how to write code. It's knowing how to communicate ideas clearly. It's knowing how to guide the AI, how to refine the output, how to think creatively and strategically. The people who thrive in this new world aren't the ones who memorize the most coding languages. They're the ones who understand possibilities, who can dream boldly, who can take advantage of tools that make creation effortless. This shift doesn't eliminate traditional developers. Instead, it boosts them. Skilled programmers now work faster, automate repetitive tasks, and focus on the creative, logical, and high-level parts of software development. Instead of spending hours fixing basic errors, they spend time building better architecture, designing better experiences, and pushing innovation forward. Vibe coding isn't here to replace professionals, it's here to empower everyone. It's a multiplier, not a disruptor. And the more people understand this, the more opportunities open up for everyone, regardless of their background or skill level. This is why vibe coding is being talked about everywhere, from tech conferences to classrooms, from social media to startup hubs. It's not just a tool, it's a shift in how humans interact with technology. It's a bridge between imagination and execution. It's a movement that says anyone with an idea can now bring it to life. And as this trend grows, it's going to shape the future of education, creativity, business, entertainment, and innovation in ways we're only beginning to understand. The question now is not whether vibe coding will change the world. The real question is, will you be part of the generation that uses it, learns it, and grows with it? Because the people who embrace this early will be the ones leading the next chapter of the digital age. The future is arriving faster than anyone expected, and vibe coding is one of the clearest signs that we're stepping into a world where creativity has no limits and innovation has no barriers.